We're in a little town called Pink Hill, North Carolina, at this amazing tractor museum. It's right on the side of the road, and they have some of the oldest tractors I have ever seen, and there's an enormous collection of them. It's called the Wilbur Tingle Museum. They've got this old John Deere here with spiked wheels. I have no clue what year this thing is. Here's an old kerosene truck. Look at this, there's rows of these things. Another John Deere. Not too old. Alice Chalmers, that's an old tractor right there. That's really cool. Here's a Farmall, a big one too. A Massey Harris. I've never heard of a Massey Harris. The thing is huge. Look at the engine on this thing. And look at that seat. That does not look comfortable. There's a Minneapolis Moline. That's another new one on me. Cool tractor. Long. Old Alice Chalmers engine. Here's another one of those Massey Harris 44s. Here's a cool Farmall. It's a 350 diesel. This one's skinny. Look how skinny the profile on this one is. Here's an old case. Look at those wheels. Wheels look like they would do some damage. Here's a row crop. Look at the front wheels. Must row the and there's the planters. Man, this is a cool tractor. Called an Oliver. There's another one right here. Holy cow, this thing is neat. Look at this. It's got the wheels down at the bottom. Goes down your ground. Here's your hopper. Spins down off of that. Man, that is a bad to the bone tractor. It's amazing the technology that they thought of so long ago. Here's another Oliver called a Super 77, and it's pretty super. It's huge. Man, that's a cool tractor. There's a neat John Deere. This is called a Cock Soot. Never heard of this either. More old John Deere. There's an old planer. There's a bunch of old gas cans.